Good morning, everyone. Let us start with reflection and rotational symmetry. What is reflection symmetry? A figure is said to be symmetrical about line L if it is identical on the either side of the L. In this case, L is called the line or the axis of symmetry. Here, whatever this L is called a line or axis of symmetry, it is like a mirror. So when you see your image, it is identical to you. It is your reflection. Where mirror is the axis of symmetry, in the same way, if the figure is symmetrical, then the axis or line of symmetry, it is like a mirror in that. Now coming to a line segment is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector. In figure 1, the line segment AB is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector POQ. See, this is a line segment AB and POQ is a line bisector. A given angle having equal arms is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle. In figure 2, angle AOB is a given angle in which OA equal to OB and OC is the bisector of angle AOB, in which angle AOB is symmetrical about OC. Here OA is equal to OB. It is equal, length of the arms is equal. Then OC is the angular bisector. Then that is the line of symmetry. An isosceles triangle is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle included between the equal sides. This is an isosceles triangle. Here AB equal to AC. Then this is the angle bisector of angle A. This is the line of symmetry of isosceles triangle. Let ABCD be a kite in which AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to DC. Then the kite ABCD is symmetrical about its diagonal AC. A semicircle ACB has one line of symmetry, namely the perpendicular bisector of diameter AB. So in a semicircle, the line of symmetry is perpendicular bisector of a diameter. Let ABCD be isosceles trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. Let E and F be the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Thus, trapezium ABCD is symmetrical about EF. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, one of which the line joining the midpoints of its opposite sides. That means in rectangle, two lines of symmetry are there. That is line joining the midpoints of its opposite sides. A rhombus is symmetrical about each of its diagonal. So rhombus has two lines of symmetry, that is its diagonal. Rectangle has two lines of symmetry, that is line joining the midpoints of its opposite sides. A square has four lines of symmetry, namely the diagonals and the line joining the midpoints of its opposite sides. See, this is the line joining the midpoints of its opposite sides and the two diagonals. That means four lines of symmetry. An equilateral triangle is symmetrical about each one of its bisector of the interior angle. That means three lines of symmetry, three angles, three angle bisectors, so three lines of symmetry of equilateral triangle. A circle is symmetrical about each one of its diameter. As many diameters are drawn in the circle, that many lines of symmetry. Each of the following, that means there are infinite number of diameters in the circle. So infinite lines of symmetry. Each of the following capital letters of English alphabet is symmetrical about the dotted line or the lines as shown. Let us see these lines. A is symmetrical about vertical line. B, C, D, E, horizontal lines of symmetry. H is horizontal and vertical both. I is horizontal and vertical both. M is only horizontal line, vertical line. O is horizontal and vertical. T is again vertical line. U is again vertical. V, vertical line of symmetry. Z, W is vertical line of symmetry. X is horizontal and vertical both, and Y is vertical line of symmetry. Now let us come to rotational symmetry. A figure is said to have rotational symmetry if it fits onto itself more than once during a complete rotation. A number of times a figure fits onto itself in one complete rotation is called order of rotational symmetry. Let us rotate an equilateral triangle ABC through 120 degree, 240, 360 degree. Attain the positions shown in figure 2, 3 and 4. See now, equilateral triangle, this is equilateral triangle. It attains the same position at 120, 240 and 360. So order of rotation is 3. Let us rotate a square ABCD in figure. Next page, the figure is given through 90, 180, 270 and 360. Then it attains the position figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see. This is the original position of the square. This is at 90 degree, 180, 270 and 360 degree. So the order of rotation is again 4 and the angle of rotation is 90, 180, 270 and 360. If we rotate the adjacent figure through 90, 180, 270 and 360, then each time the figure will fill exactly onto itself. Then the given figure has a rotational symmetry of order 4. See, when it is rotated through 90, 180, 270 and 360, it will retain the same position. Hence, it is the order of rotation is 4 here. Each of the letter H, I, N, O, S, X and Z has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Each one of these letters when rotated through 180 and 360 degree will fit exactly onto itself each time. That means the order of rotation is 2 and the angle is 180 degree and 360 degree. H, I, N, S, O, X and Z. The adjoining figure, this is the figure, when rotated through 120, 240 and 360 will fit exactly onto itself each time. So it has a rotational symmetry of order 3. Here the order of rotation is 3. Now rotating a figure through 90 degree clockwise is same as rotating through its anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise through 270. If you rotate it through 270 or 90 in the clockwise, it is same. Similarly, rotating a figure through 180 degree clockwise is same as rotating a figure anti-clockwise through 180 degree. Now figure having line symmetry and rotational symmetry. As it's okay, let us see the example. A square has 4 lines of symmetry, namely the diagonals and line joining the midpoints of its opposite sides. Also, the square has rotational symmetry of order 4 when rotated through 90, 180, 270 and 360. That means 4 order of rotation is also 4 and the lines of symmetry is also 4. Let us talk about rectangle. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry, namely the line joining the midpoints of its opposite side. Thus, a rectangle has rotational symmetry of order 2 when rotated through 180 and 360 degree. That means order of rotation is 2 and the lines of symmetry are also 2. Equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry, that is the bisector of interior angles. Also, the equilateral triangle has rotational symmetry of order 3 when rotated through 120, 240 and 360. The letter H has 2 lines of symmetry. What is that lines of symmetry? Horizontal and vertical line. And the order of rotation is also 2, that is at 180 and 360 degree. Similarly, we have for letters O and X. Then isosceles triangle has a line of symmetry but does not have rotational symmetry. Why does not have rotational symmetry? The lines of symmetry is only 1 and it does not attain the same position. So order of rotation is 0. In this figure, see this figure, the order of lines of symmetry are 3, 1, 2, 3. And similarly, the order of rotation is also 3. That is 120 degree, 240 degree and 360 degree. That's all for today, children. Thank you.